Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and taking care of yourself in these hard times. Okay, if you are not feeling well, then there is no need to push yourself to study. First, take care of your health, be healthy, and then start studying because our mental health plus our physical health plays a huge role in our studies. If we feel well, then we can study very productively. Okay, so today we are going to do parajumbles and I have selected two parajumbles, okay, and these parajumbles are of cat level. So we will solve these two parajumbles and I will try to give you a simple approach for solving these parajumbles because many students find it difficult to solve the parajumbles as they are confused between the sentences, like which sentence will come first and which will come second. So today we are going to solve these two parajumbles and the first parajumble is from here to here. If you are not able to find it, then first starts from here and ends here. Okay, this is the first parajumble. So first what we will do is we will make 5 spaces because there are 5 sentences in this parajumble. So we will make 5 spaces for this parajumble. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now our second step is to find the introductive sentence which introduces that what is this passage is about. Okay, so we will try to read all the sentences and we will try to find the starting statement. So the first is, in the past doctors had been reluctant to prescribe strong opioids as synthetic drugs derived from opium are known except for acute cancer, pain and end of life palliative care because of a long standing and well founded fear about the addictive properties of these drugs. So it can be our starting statement. We will put a tick here. The drug became a blockbuster. So here we can see that it is telling about some drug, but we don't know about which drug it is telling. So it can't be our statement, first statement. Upon its release, so its is used here and we don't have any name of any specific drug. So it also can't be our starting statement. Okay, now we will move to next. But oxy, so here but is used and here oxycontin is a controversial drug. It also can't be our first statement because we need something before this statement. Then in E, Purdue Pharma, a privately held company based in Stamford, Connecticut that developed the prescription painkiller oxycontin. So here we can see that this is the introductory statement between A and E because it is very straightforwardly informing about what this passage is about. Okay, so E will be our first statement as it is introducing the whole passage. So here we will write E here. E is our first statement. Now what we will do is we have found our first statement. Then we will try to connect it to another statement. So here it is told about Purdue Pharma and that this company made this. A privately held company made it and they made this prescription. And here we can see that the release time is also given that upon its release in 1995, Oxycontin was hailed as a medical breakthrough. So here we can see that this line is related to E because in E it is told that a company made this drug and then in C it is told that after its release in 1995 it was hailed as a medical breakthrough, a long-lasting narcotic that could help patients suffering from moderate to severe pain. So we can see that C will be our second statement. Okay, because C is related to E. So उसके बाद क्या हो गया, उसके जो रिलीज हुआ वो मेडिकल में एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रेक थ्रू आया, सबको लगा कि हाँ इससे हमें अपने पेन से राहत मिलेगी. Okay, patients को राहत मिलेगी. So C will be our second statement. Now there were strong expectations from this drug as everyone was thinking that it will help the patients who are suffering from the pain. So now we can see that B is related, that the drug became a blockbuster and reportedly generated some $35 billion because it is related to C, as in C it is told that everyone believed that it will help. So when someone believe, they will buy the product and it became a blockbuster. So here B will be our third statement. Okay, that the drug became a blockbuster and reportedly generated some $35 billion in revenue for Purdue. So B will be our third statement. Now we will try to find out our fourth statement. So it became a blockbuster and earned this much rupees. So here we will try to read A. In the past, doctors had been reluctant to prescribe strong opioids, and then D is also left. But OxyContin is a controversial drug. So here we can see that D is related to OxyContin. Now D will be the next sentence because it is a contradictory statement. In B it is told that it became very famous, and in D it is told that it is a controversial drug plus but is also used here. So but is used when two opposite sentences are connected. Okay, so here we can find out that D will be the fourth statement and after that A will be the last statement here. That doctors had been reluctant to prescribe strong opioids as synthetic drugs derived from opium expect, except for acute cancer pain and end of palliative care. Okay, so here we can see that doctors are fearful because these drugs have addictive properties. First, they released this drug, then it became very famous and it generated this much revenue. But there was some problem with this drug because a chemical which is a cousin of heroin was used in this drug. Okay, and after that the doctors were reluctant to prescribe this because it had some addictive properties. So here we can see that our final sequence will be E, C, B, D, A. So here and now I think you all understood how to deal with this type of questions, and this question is of moderate level. Okay, now we will move to question number 3. In 3, it is a very simple parajumble and it has 4 sentences. So it is based on some reasoning and logical something. We will try to read it. First we will make our space for four sentences. 3, 4. Okay. By reasoning, we mean the mental process of drawing an inference from two or more statements. So, going from the inference to the statements which yield that inference. So, here we can see that is used, and for that we need a starting statement. Okay, so it can't be our starting statement. Now we will read D. So logical reasoning covers those type of questions. So here those type of questions and we don't have the answer which type of questions. So it also can't be our first statement. Now C is logic means if we take its original meaning, the science of valid reasoning. So here we can see that C gives some information for the sentences that logic means if we take its original meaning, the science of valid reasoning. So here C is our first statement. Okay, and now the explanation of C, like the science of valid reasoning, is given in A, that by reasoning we mean the mental process of drawing an inference from two or more statements. So here A will be the second statement as definition of C is given in A. Okay, now or going from the inference to the statements which yield that inference. Now we will read D. Clearly, for understanding arguments and for drawing the inference correctly, it is necessary that we should understand the statement first. And in B, so logical reasoning covers those topic of questions which imply drawing an inference from the problems. So here we can see that D is our last statement because it is concluding the paragraph that for understanding argument, it is necessary that we should understand the statement first, and here B will be our third statement. So it was a easy one, parajumble, and it was somewhat moderate. Tomorrow we will do mains level parajumble, okay, in which 7 to 8 sentences will be there. So this was today, and if you want to practice more of these type of questions, then you can go for Guidely PDF course, okay. I will suggest to go for Guidely PDF course because in their PDF course they are providing these type of questions daily to practice, and plus they have launched their GA course also, in which they are providing weekly quizzes for current affairs revision with a very smart analysis, and it is very helpful. Okay, and if you want to purchase their mock test, then they are providing the mock test for 2 years if you purchase it within 2 days. Okay, the validity is for 2 years, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount, and it is in 500 rupees. Earlier it was in 600 rupees, so you can check it out. I will give you link in description, plus the code will also be there, which is Deepika, and you will get extra 12% discount. So you can check out the PDF course also, and if you have the pre plus mains PDF course or the platinum mock package, you will get the GA course for free in those packs. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow I will try to make mains level parajumble video. Otherwise, if you want video on any other topic like related to any mains topic in which you are facing any difficulty, then kindly write that down in comments. I will surely make the video. If I am not able to make the video tomorrow, I will surely make the video in upcoming 2 to 3 days. Okay, because I also have to adjust my schedule. So you can write your weak points in the comment section for English, because I can't teach other subjects as I am not that much good in quants and reasoning. So I can teach the subject in which I am good at. That's why I have chose reasoning. So if it was helpful for you, kindly write it also in the comments, because that gives me motivation to make the videos. Okay, if I don't get any positive comments, then I also will not be very interested in making these videos, because if you guys are interested, then I will keep on making the videos. If it is helpful for 3 to 4 subscribers, then also I will keep making these videos, and otherwise I don't waste my or your time. Okay, so kindly tell me if it is useful for you, then please write it in the comment section so that I can also know that whether what I am doing is helpful for you or not. So that's all for today's video. Please take care of yourself and your family members also, and your health, and keep studying hard. Please don't waste a single minute of your life, because I want to help you, and I really want that you get the job this year. I also want it for myself, and I know how it feels to be dependent on our family for financial. So I just pray that you all become financially independent and you all can make your dreams come true. So that's all. Thank you and have a very nice day. That's all. God bless you.